Hi everyone, welcome back to the TenorShare channel. If you forgot the password on your Samsung tablet, you're not alone. One moment it's working fine, and the next, you're locked out completely. No access to apps, no access to files, and no way past the lock screen. Even worse, if you reset the device incorrectly, you could end up stuck on Google account verification, making the tablet totally unusable. But don't worry. In this video, we'll show you all the working solutions to unlock a Samsung tablet when you forgot the password, and what to do if FRP lock appears after reset. Let's start with the easiest scenario first. Method 1. Unlock with old password. If your Samsung tablet is running One UI 6.1 or newer, Samsung now provides a built-in recovery option. Instead of bypassing the lock, this method lets you verify your identity using the previous screen lock. After entering the wrong password several times, your tablet may display an option labeled Forgot Password, Pattern, or PIN. If you still remember the previous password, pattern, or PIN, you can use it to regain access and set a new one. This method does not erase data or trigger the FRP lock, but you must remember the old password. Once you can no longer verify with the old password, the only remaining option is a factory reset. Let's look at the most common reset method. Method 2. Reset Samsung tablet via Android recovery mode. Android recovery mode allows you to reset the tablet without knowing the screen lock password. This method works on almost all Samsung tablets. First, press and hold the volume down and power buttons to turn off your tablet. After the device screen goes black, press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously to put it into Android recovery mode. For some models, you may also need to connect the device to a computer after turning it off before putting it into recovery mode by holding down the volume up and power buttons. You'll now enter Android recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate and select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Confirm the action, then choose Reboot System now. The tablet will restart with the lock screen removed. But there's one important thing you need to be aware of. After a factory reset, Samsung devices are designed to protect your data. So during setup, the tablet may suddenly ask you to sign in with a previously synced Google account. This security feature is called Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. If you remember the Google account, you can continue setup. But if you don't, this is where many users get stuck. You'll see a message like this. This device was reset. To continue, sign in with a Google account previously synced on this device. There's no skip button. And without the correct account, the tablet cannot be activated. To fix this situation, you'll need a professional FRP removal solution. Method 3. Remove Google FRP lock with 4UK for Android. To remove Google FRP lock safely and efficiently, we recommend TenorShare 4UK for Android. Download and install 4UK for Android on your computer. Open it and select Remove Google FRP lock. Click the Samsung brand. Then you can find the latest Qualcomm model in the options list. Select it, then click Remove Now. Before proceeding, you need to prepare an EDL cable. You can purchase it on Amazon or eBay. Once ready, click Start Removal. Then follow the specific steps in the process. First, hold down the volume down and power buttons to turn off the device. Next, simultaneously press and hold the volume up, volume down and EDL cable buttons. Then plug the cable into the device. After 3 seconds, release the volume buttons, but keep holding the EDL cable button. Now press the volume up and volume down buttons 15 times simultaneously. After completion, 4UK for Android will enter the device selection page. Select your device model. If you don't know it, you can find it in Android recovery mode. Click Next to remove the FRP lock. After a few minutes, your Samsung device will reboot. You can now set up your tablet without entering previous Google account credentials. When prompted for Google account verification, simply tap Skip. Alright, that wraps up this video. If you've forgotten the password for your Samsung tablet, you can try the method shown in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to learn more about TenorShare 4UK for Android. We'll see you in the next video.